What's up, guys? Snake Army Real, and today I'm going to be opening some more Pokemon cards. So we have all of these packs here that we're gonna open. So I already cut them before the video, so you didn't have to watch me cut them all. So we got our first. What the heck? Sorry, guys. Why? Do you have to do this? Come on, don't be a pain in the... Never mind. Come on. There we go. Finally. Okay. This is unusual. We have Snover. Okay. Yamask! Yes! Yes! I love Yamask. Well, I kind of love Yamask. Okay, we have Coughing. Shop it. Okay, I already have that guy. Oh, I'm going to show you the Yamask. Here it is. Okay, that's cool. Coughing. Shop it. Not bad. What's this? Skywolvet. Okay. We have Clobopus. I think that's how you say it. Ah, what's his name? I know this guy. His name is Bennett. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, we have the Physic. I think that's how you say it. Okay, we have Leedion, whatever that is. Carla. And that's the code. Just so you guys know. Is this upside? Yeah, that's upside down. Okay, here's the code, guys. Just so you know. And yep. Okay, so that's our first part. Oh, sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, our second pack. Let's get it out. Come on. There we go. Okay. Let's put that there and there. Okay, we have Haytana. I think that's how you say it. Aaron. Rattle. Like, how do you say it? I don't know. Dang, this thing looks like a devil. Okay, Venipede. Bound Sweet. Fire-resistant gloves. Ooh, not bad. Scolipede. I don't know how to say that. There we go. Ooh, Lucky Energy. Have Porygon. What's this thing? Raboot. Weird. And this is the code. Oh, that's the code. No, that's upside down. No. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's the code. Let's put that there. Okay, next pack. Come on, I'm making a video. There we go. Finally. Okay, I have a Flunching. I have no idea what that is. Chinchou, I guess. I don't know how to say it. This guy. Ooh, this guy's pretty cool. This thing. Ooh, this guy looks pretty cool. Ooh, nice. NTA. Oh, yes, yes, let's go. Yes, no way. Vaporeon V. Rapid Strike. No way. Okay, we have this. This guy. Oh, what's this? What's this? I don't know how to say that. Treasure Energy. Not bad. This thing. And the code. No, it's not. Okay. There's the code. There you go. Okay. I'm going to put that there. Yes, we got to beat a V. Let's go. Okay. I had no idea what to say this. I don't know how to say this. Okay. We have Dwebble. And that's a piranha Pokemon that I just pulled out right there. Okay. So we have Dwebble. Mareep. Drowsy. Okay. Not too shabby. Scraggy. Ooh, this is a gold card. I don't think that means anything. I don't know. Whatever. Ooh, what's this guy? Oh, Talonflame? No way. Cool. Okay. Xena's Resolve. Copycat. I don't know how to say that. Okay. That's the code. There we go. Okay. Put that there. I'm hoping for a VMAX. That's what I want. Okay. There we go. Porygon. Ooh. Heracross. Sobble. Inkay. Skuvit. I don't know how to say that. Gallade. This thing. What's it called? I don't know how to say that. We have this guy. That's an energy. This thing. This guy, and the code. Right there. Okay. Man, we got a lot of codes. Okay, we have 2 more packs. Cross your fingers. I want a VMAX. Hey, at least we already got a V. Like, come on. Okay, we have V-Bass. Ooh. Hoppip. I think that's how you say it. Rapid Strike. Nice. Ooh, yes. I already have Hitmonlee, and now we have Hitmonchan. Not bad. Okay. Flinching. Tentacool. Yeah, he's cool. Okay. And you guys are cool too if you subscribe and leave a like. And if you don't, you're still cool. Ribbon Badge. Flapple. Energy. Flaffy. Oh, what's this guy? Braviary. I think that's how I say it. Oh, that's nice. Tentacruel. Okay. And the code. Okay. So we got that. It's sick. Okay. Last pack. Cross your fingers, guys. Dang, I opened so many packs. Okay. Aeron. Deerling. Never seen that thing before. Delibird. Oh, what's that? Okay. Ooh. Wow, this thing looks like... Larvesta. Marsheep. Shuppet. Ooh, what's this thing? Strika Rapid Strike. Nice. Okay, we got the Fighting Energy. Porygon. Ooh. Raboot. And the code. Dang it, we didn't get a VMAX, but to be honest, it was still pretty cool, you know. Guys, this is all of the Pokemon cards I got from that. Dude, look at this. Look at all these Pokemon cards I got from that. Jeez. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.